Depending on your age, you either know the 3 R's as reading, writing, and arithmetic, or the more recent incarnation, reuse, reduce, and recycle. In APL's earliest days, we had the 3 T's. The Talos, Terrier, and Tartar missiles came out of the Bumblebee program. Started by the Navy in World War II to determine the feasibility of building a supersonic guided missile, a missile that would extend the range of ship anti-aircraft defenses from a few thousand yards to many, many miles. It's no accident that the names all started with the letter T. APL's first director, Merle Tuve, developed the Section T method, which, with APL as the central laboratory, relied on associate contractors to gather experts from the Navy, industry, and universities to help establish and build the programs. To get the extended range the Navy was looking for, it was necessary to develop a large missile with ramjet propulsion, which became the Talos missile. The prototype was flown in 1952, and the first tactical Talos was introduced to the fleet in the spring of 1958. The initial Talos test also produced something else, the STV-3 supersonic test vehicle, which, in 1948, became the first successful supersonic radar beam riding missile ever to be flown. But it was as a command and control test vehicle flown with a booster rocket. APL and the Navy both thought the STV-3 could be a shorter-range supplement to the still-developing long-range Talos. They replaced the telemetry section with a fuse and warhead, and the Terrier was born. 2 down, 1 to go. Engineers continued to work on the Terrier. They gave it better maneuverability, took its guidance system from beam rider to semi-active homing, and replaced its booster with a dual-thrust rocket motor. In fact, the changes were so significant that Terrier became known as Tartar, and its smaller size meant it could be deployed on smaller ships. The new technology soon afforded new opportunities. Solid-state electronics had advanced enough to justify redesigning both Terrier and Tartar to make them more reliable and easier to manufacture. Terrier became standard missile extended range, and Tartar became standard missile medium range. Today, standard missiles arm the Navy's Aegis cruisers and destroyers, where they've extended the range of ships' self-defense from a few miles to over the horizon and to the edges of space. But perhaps the most important results of these missiles were the culture of innovation developed at APL and the birth of a technology that led to contributions in fields ranging from satellite systems to biomedical engineering. But we'll have to save that for another historical tech splash. Stay tuned.